Come and experience the beauty of healthy, natural hair care by the Professional Sisters Braiding Team, located at busy Saint Barnabas Rd in Suitland-Maryland.
Welcome to Professional Sister Hair Braiding.
Professional Sisters Hair Braiding is the hottest salon in the DC metropolitan area for curly, braided, wavy, and natural hair that offers the relaxation, rejuvenation, and personal hair care you crave. Our mission here at Professional Sisters Hair Braiding is to ensure that your experience with us far exceeds your expectations. Our professional staff has the talent and technique combined with a personal touch to provide you with an experience certain to delight your sense and accentuate your true beauty. We specialize in French braids, flat braids, Senegalese twist, cornrows, bomtus, fluffy twists, and human hair extensions for women, men, and children.
Well, I love coming to Professional Sisters because they do beautiful hair, and I've been coming here for the last 5 years.
I love coming to Sisters Hair Braiding Shop because of the people who work here. I've been coming since 2006. The people are fabulous. The customers that come here are fabulous. Where else can you come and get a fabulous hairdo like this?
And I called, made an appointment, came in, felt so welcome when I walked out. I looked amazing, and the minute I walked out the door, I was giving out the telephone number for the next client to come here, and I absolutely love it. I love the way my hair looks when I walk out.
At Professional Sisters Hair Braiding, the atmosphere is comforting and welcoming. Prices are great, and the stylists are excellent. So why wait? Contact us today to schedule your service and consultation.
Please call us today.
For more information, please call us or visit us online.
Please call us today.
For more information, please call us or visit us online.